Every school morning in Lakeland, children cross the street to get to school. Most drivers slow down like they're supposed to, but some don't. As a personal injury attorney, I've seen the consequences of speeding. Starting Tuesday, August 11th, the first day of public school, Lakeland will begin issuing $100 citations through its school zone speed cameras. Lakeland has installed 14 cameras near 8 school entrances. They operate during posted school zone enforcement times when the yellow lights are flashing. Lakeland began issuing warnings earlier this year, and the city says it's already mailed out about 8,000 of them to drivers going more than 10 miles per hour over the school zone speed limit. Starting August 11th, the warnings end and $100 citations begin. When a camera records a violation, a Lakeland police officer reviews it. If approved, the citation is mailed to the vehicle's registered owner, even if someone else was driving. Now, let me be clear. Dismuke Law does not handle traffic tickets. We represent people who have been injured in car accidents caused by someone else's carelessness. From my perspective, the real issue isn't the ticket. The real issue is what happens when someone gets hurt. A $100 ticket can be frustrating, but a serious car accident can change someone's life. So when those yellow lights are flashing, slow down. And honestly, if you get one of these tickets and it teaches you to slow down, I'm glad you got it. But I'd much rather you never have to get one. Dismuke Law doesn't fight the ticket. We help the person injured by the careless driver. If that's you or someone you love, call 1-800-ASK-DAVE. You focus on getting better, we'll handle the insurance company.